What if your task manager could think for you? Imagine a system that not only tracks your to-do list, but also organizes priorities, summarizes tasks, and helps you make better decisions using AI. That's exactly what we're building today. In this video, I'll show you how to turn Notion, the popular productivity app, into an AI-powered task manager using just a few simple tools. You don't need to be tech-savvy. You don't need to know how to code. You just need a Notion account, an OpenAI API key, and 15 minutes of your time. Let's get started. Welcome to Automation Arsenal, where we use AI to automate everything you do. If you're a solopreneur, student, creator, or just tired of managing your time manually, this is for you. Subscribe for more no-code AI tutorials every week. Here's what we'll cover in this beginner's build. How to create a basic Notion task tracker, how to connect it to GPT-4 with a free tool, how to auto-summarize, prioritize, and even rephrase tasks, and how to build a prompt system inside your workspace. Let's go. Step 1. Build your task tracker in Notion first. Open Notion and create a new page. Call it AI Task Manager. Add a database by typing table full page. Now create the following columns: task, text, status, select, to do, in progress, done, due date, date, priority, select, low, medium, high, AI summary, text, AI priority suggestion, text. This is the foundation of your task manager. You'll enter raw tasks in the first column, messy, unstructured, or just quick thoughts. Then we'll use AI to clean them up, summarize them, and even suggest what you should do next. For example, you might type, finish editing video for YouTube by Friday, check if audio matches. Looks messy, right? Let's fix that with AI. Step 2. Connect Notion to GPT-4, no coding needed. To make this magic happen, we'll use a free tool called Make.com, formerly known as Integromat. Go to Make.com, sign up for a free account, and click Create a new scenario. Here's what we'll connect: Notion, to pull new tasks; OpenAI, to generate summaries, rephrasing, and priority suggestions; Notion again, to update the database. Let's break this down step by step. First, click the big plus sign and search for Notion. Select Watch Database Items. Connect your Notion account, then choose the database you just created. Make sure it only triggers when a new task is added or when the task is updated. Now, add another module. OpenAI right pointing arrow, create a completion. This is where the real automation happens. Here's the prompt you'll use. You are a productivity assistant. Summarize the following task in one short sentence, then rate its urgency from 1 to 3. Task 1. Task, the variable will pull in the raw task description from Notion. Set the model to GPT-4 or GPT 3.5, whichever your API key supports. Set temperature to 0.7 for slightly more creativity. Paste your OpenAI API key into the setup window. Then finally, add a third module. Notion right pointing arrow, update database item, map the response from OpenAI to the AI summary and AI priority suggestion columns in your table. Save and run the scenario. That's it. Step 3. Test your system. Now let's try it out. Go back to Notion and enter this task. Schedule Zoom call with new client about automation project on Monday. Wait a few seconds for Make to process it. Then watch as the AI fills in 2 new columns. AI summary, schedule client Zoom call for Monday to discuss automation project. AI priority suggestion. Hi. Boom. That's an AI assistant inside your Notion table. You can now glance at your tasks and instantly understand what they are and how urgent they are, without doing the mental work yourself. This is just the beginning. Step 4. Add more smart prompts, optional. Want to level it up? Let's add a few more AI functions using the same method. Rephrase tasks for clarity, add a new column. AI rewrite, prompt. You are a productivity coach. Rewrite this task clearly and professionally for a task management app. Task. Task, add task category suggestions, new column. Suggested category, prompt. Categorize this task as either admin, creative, communication, research, or personal. Task. Task, estimate time to complete, new column. Time estimate, prompt. Estimate how long this task would take to complete, in minutes. Task. task. All of these can be set up in Make using the same exact steps. 1 Notion input, 1 OpenAI prompt, 1 update back to Notion. Step 5. Add buttons inside Notion, optional advanced. If you want to control when AI is triggered, instead of it running every time, you can create a checkbox column in Notion called Send to AI. Then adjust the Make scenario to only run if Send to AI is checked. You could also use Make to reset that checkbox once AI processing is complete. This gives you full manual control over what tasks you want processed and when. Bonus. Use this for daily planning. You can use this exact setup to create a Today view filtered by high priority, create separate views for next 7 days, or overdue tasks. Create roll-ups to track productivity across projects. You've now turned a basic Notion table into a living, breathing productivity assistant. This isn't just a task manager, it's a decision maker. It helps you see what matters most, reduce mental clutter, and keep your priorities clear. Recap. What you just built. Let's recap what you've accomplished. Built a Notion task tracker, connected it to GPT-4 using Make.com automated task summaries and prioritization, created AI-generated suggestions inside your workspace, added optional AI prompts like time estimates, categories, and rephrasing, and you did it all with no code. Just a few tools and some simple prompts. This is what modern productivity looks like. And the best part? You can expand this system to support teams, projects, meetings, content planning, or even habit tracking. If you want the full template, the Notion page, the Make scenario, and the exact GPT prompts, check the link in the description. I'll give you everything so you can plug it in and go. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video and subscribe to Automation Arsenal. I post weekly tutorials just like this to help you automate your work, your content, and your business with the power of AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.